Hello and welcome to my art class. This is just a brief video to talk about the materials that we have in class and the techniques you can use to make your drawings look good. Most importantly, when you color, just slow down, color in one direction. Start lightly so that you can erase your lines if you make a mistake. And when I color, I usually color my background first. Let's start. When you first begin a drawing, draw nice and lightly. If I draw too dark, I might not be able to erase it fully later. And I'll still be able to see the line. Here's an example. Let's say I'm drawing this moon or sun and I don't like it. But I've drawn it so dark that I can't really erase it. Well, what I should probably do is just draw it in again. Nobody but me will know that it was a mistake. If you're coloring with colored pencils, you can do your lines with marker first. Make sure your eraser's clean. Put your hands down or your fingers on the paper and erase the lines going in between your fingers. Go in the direction of the line. But if you put your fingers down on the paper, this will keep it from getting wrinkled. And I usually color my background first. If you're coloring with marker, you're going to do your black outlines last. So once you're happy with your pencil, just color with your marker in one direction, like this, filling in all the spaces. Again, I usually color the background first. And I also start with the lighter colors. So I'll start with yellow, for example. There are different techniques with markers that you can use. Here I'm using dots or points. You can't hear the marker. If you can hear the marker, if you're making noise, you're pressing down too hard and you might actually break the marker and you will bother everyone else in class. Here I'm coloring with marker, just kind of drawing little lines, really. Here I'm going to fill in the background first before I color my house. When I'm finished with my marker drawing, I can add the outlines. If you add the black outlines first, it might get dirty when you color it, unless you're using a permanent marker. With my colored pencil drawing, when I'm finished, I can draw the shadows with a black colored pencil and make any extra lines I need so that my drawing shows up nicely. Dividing up the background helps make it a lot easier to color. When you divide up your background, it doesn't have to be realistic. Thanks for watching. Happy art making!